Hello and welcome to the Nail Spot with Toby. Today I'm going to be showing you how I go from blah nails to a little bit more fun for spring or Easter. Today's nails, we're going to be doing this set. It takes tuxin. So I'm really excited and I really love the ombre vibe. So let's get started. So first you open it up. I never get it right, by the way. I'm too gentle with the ribbon. So I open it up and I normally pretend this is a mini tray. And I love it because it has some directions for you right here. So there's no confusion on how to use it. And this guy, I'm just gonna peel right off. And I'm gonna peel this off as well as this. So I'm gonna go ahead and tear this open and pull out my nail strips. Just to make sure I don't have any debris on it, I'm just gonna do a quick wipe. I already know which ones I end up using because I've been using these so much. And by the way, if my hands are dry, it's because when you're applying, you really don't wanna have lotion on so that, there's nothing between you and the nail polish. I have quite fat nails. I use the biggest one on my thumb. So right here, all I do is, so you go to the nail kind of like right here, you're supposed to push your cuticles back, and I just do it this way. I keep pushing down. This is 100% nail polish, so you really don't want to mess it up, but I just keep pushing down until it's right there on my nails, smooth as possible. Okay, so get it as smooth as possible, and I just want to tuck it. Normally you want to do your thumbs last, so I'm actually not gonna continue with the thumb because I will mess it up otherwise. But you want to push it really flat on all sides, and that's how this one turned out. Because I, have longer nails, normally I would just use my nails to pinch it underneath. I'm going to use my nail file to cut it off. So just gonna perforate the nail polish right here underneath. And then I should be able to do an easy peel right off, see that? And tuck the rest in. And voila, you're all done with the first. Let's just get the other ones done. so I'm all done with this hand and I love it so far. Some people like to do accent nails. I'm not doing that this time around. Some people also like to do designs. Maybe they'll paint this with nail polish and then come and drop it right here so it forms a bit of a design. So you can really do a lot with this. It's very versatile. But so far, this is what I have going on for the left hand. And I will switch it up and get this done and show you what that looks like. Okay, so this is the finished product. I messed up a little bit because the almond shape trips me up. When my nails are not almond, it's not so bad. But I did mess up my little pinky right here. But like I said, once again, that almond shape tripped me up and the length also tripped me up. I normally do it on shorter nails, but I just felt like having a little fun with it this time around. So, but the good thing is, even though I tripped up on that pinky, you can't really tell too much because it's got glitter design. So it's more forgiven if you've got some kind of design or pattern on it. That's what I found to work for me. So I just normally gravitate towards these. But this is what it looks like. I'm going to get some lotion on and come back in and show you what it looks like. Alrighty, I'm all lotioned up. I look like a human again. And my nails are still bobbing. If you're interested in these nails, definitely go to tobischaffner.com and join my Facebook group so you can kind of get to know more about Color Street. And you can also shop with the link as well, tobischaffner.com. If you have any questions or if you would like me to send you a 2-finger tester, definitely let me know. I can definitely send you some 2-finger testers so you could try it for yourself and see if you love it. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful one. Bye.